grease buildup inside the hood? How to clean it? First, disconnect the hood from the power supply. Next, remove the oil cup. Detach ducting from the hood. Remove the hood. Disassemble the filter. Disassemble all the covers. Unscrew the lock nut. Take out the impeller. Soak, soft scrub, and clean all the covers, filter and impeller with mild detergent or degreaser. Wipe the inside of the hood with a damp cloth only. Please take note, all the electrical parts including the motor should be away from water. After cleaning, leave it until it is completely dry. Finally, reinstall all the impeller, covers, filter and hood, as well as the ducting and oil cup. It's done.